Nearly 220,000 votes have yet to be counted. And right now, as you mentioned, Democrat Congresswoman Kyrsten Sinema is up by about 32,000 votes over Republican Martha McSally. The Sinema campaign said in a statement, with the latest ballot count, Kyrsten's lead is insurmountable. McSally's campaign in today's results would be her firewall. But as we expected, no firewall emerged. McSally has lost every batch of votes from Maricopa County. And to date, Kyrsten won by 6.25%, nearly double her overall performance in the county to date. We reached out to McSally on this, but got no response. On Saturday, her campaign released this. Today, our vote total grew at a greater rate than expected, and we expanded our vote margins in rural areas. Counting mail-in ballots dropped off on Election Day. The latest release provides compelling evidence that the remaining uncounted ballots are favorable to Martha, and we will continue our effort to make sure all lawful ballots are counted. The Maricopa County Recorder, Democrat Adrian Fontes, has come under fire by the Arizona GOP and a staffer from the National Republican Senatorial Committee who, without evidence, floated the idea Fontes was cooking the books. Other Republicans hit back, including Mark Salter, former speechwriter and senior aide to the late Senator John McCain, tweeting, "Stop doing this, NRSC. McSally is losing fair and square, and she's underperforming in more than Maricopa County. All this does is poison our politics more. Despicable." The chair of the NRSC was asked about that on Meet the Press.
I think we do have a chance to win in Florida or in Arizona. I do think there is a path. We've seen it in the numbers. But I do think it's important that we protect the people of Arizona. We can't sit by and allow votes to be counted in Maricopa that would not be counted somewhere else.
The deadline on the ballot counting is 5 p.m. Wednesday.